It is almost 6 o'clock, and Mike is making dinner. The kitchen is warm, and something is cooking on the stove. Sandy, the golden retriever, walks slowly and looks around the room. She finds the spot right between the stove and the fridge. It is the only path Mike uses to move around the kitchen. Sandy lies down there and closes her eyes. Mike steps over her carefully with a pot in his hand. He says move, but she does not open her eyes. He gently pushes her side with his foot. She stands up slowly and walks 2 steps away. Then she lies down again, right in the same path. This happens almost every single evening. The kitchen area is narrow, with no room to walk around her. Mike checks the pot and turns down the heat. He steps carefully over her tail this time. Sandy lifts her head and watches him for a moment. Then she puts her head back down on the floor. The smell of dinner fills the whole kitchen now. Mike wonders why she always chooses this exact spot. Maybe it's the warmth from the stove nearby. Maybe it's just where she likes to rest. He finishes cooking, stepping around her one last time. Sandy still hasn't moved from her usual spot. Tomorrow evening, she will probably choose the exact same place again.